UPXI stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, 30th of June, Monday. I'm breaking down my exact play and onwards, especially with UPXI. It's actually not that good. With a 17% correction, you will think that it's going to be bullish to me. Well, not really, man. Like, I'm not even trying to be that bad guy. You can see to come to this point, it's taken me 5 years and 43,000 videos. No one else has done this amount of volume and documented them all. But to cover UPXI, after this crazy pump down, I'm not expecting nothing but a bearish market. Nothing, right? You might think I'm over exaggerating this stuff, but it's really not that. It's just sticking to the rules that's taking me 5 years to learn. You know, you don't have to spend 5 years of your time trying to figure this all out on your own, because I've done it, the work for you. You can learn it in hours, you know, with the risk-free resources that I have first thing below. 1,200 people have gotten it. It's taken me, you know, all 5-star reviews, all that good jazz. But with UPXI, it's a bearish market unless there's a big catalyst or breaks above 360. I'll keep you updated and see you in the next one.